Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in real estate with eXp Realty, complete guide step by step clearly. To start investing in real estate with eXp Realty, first, understand what eXp Realty is. eXp Realty is a cloud-based real estate brokerage that allows agents to work remotely. Next, consider obtaining a real estate license if you don't have one. Research the licensing requirements in your state or country. Once licensed, explore the eXp Realty platform. Create an account to access training, resources, and support. Attend the orientation sessions provided by eXp Realty. These sessions will introduce you to the company's culture and tools available to agents. Connect with a mentor or team leader within eXp Realty. A mentor can provide guidance and support as you start your investment journey. Next, familiarize yourself with the different types of real estate investments. These may include residential properties, commercial real estate, or rental properties. Set your investment goals. Determine whether you aim for short-term gains, long-term growth, or generating passive income. Conduct market research to identify suitable locations for investment. Look for neighborhoods with growth potential and strong rental demand. Analyze properties within your target market. Evaluate factors like price, location, condition, and potential return on investment. Consider leveraging eXp Realty's platform for access to property listings. Utilize the tools to filter properties that meet your investment criteria. Once you identify potential properties, perform a thorough due diligence process. Inspect the property, review financials, and assess any repair or renovation needs. Discuss financing options with a financial advisor or mortgage broker. Explore different financing methods, such as traditional loans, private investors, or hard money loans. When you're ready to make an offer, work with an eXp Realty agent who understands the local market. They can help you craft a competitive offer and navigate negotiations. After your offer is accepted, proceed with the closing process. This includes reviewing contracts, securing financing, and finalizing paperwork. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.